Installing the Indimotard Carb kit is a relatively easy process, and I was worried initially as I couldn't find any videos on this. So here it is for you EFI guys. The bike runs like a charm, so not to worry about a thing. We will strictly follow the steps given by them. So let us begin. Remove the front seats, disconnect the fuel lines and connectors and remove the tank. Starting with the tank, remove the fuel pump. The wire connector on the other side is for the fuel level indicator. Install the flange with the given hex bolts from the kit and use the existing O-ring. Bolt the fuel tap assembly. Disconnect all the cables from the throttle body and remove it along with the intake manifold. Install the new intake manifold from the kit and use the old O-ring to seal it properly. Use zip ties for a tight seal. Carefully cut red and black cables of the throttle position sensor connector and interconnect them. Make sure to insulate the wires properly. So how to find the TPS connector? Easy. Try which connector connects to the carburetor socket, and that is the one. Connect the TPS connector to the carb. There will be 4 connectors, one being the fuel level indicator connector to be connected to the tank, one is for map sensor, one for TPS, and last one is for injector. Cover the open socket, which is the injector, to make it waterproof. The remaining 3 sockets will be connected in this process. So one of the last things to do with the throttle body is remove the map sensor. Very simple process. So this is what they mentioned in the instruction book. This is the star screw. So remove this part. This is the map sensor. So what you have to do is take a insulation tape or something of that sort and seal this completely as tight as possible so that no air gets in and interferes with the input. The seal sensor is then connected to the wiring harness and you're good to go. The accelerator cable has to be purchased additionally and has to be changed. Install the tank and connect the fuel lines to the carburetor. Remove the artificial choke from the left handle control. Install back the seats. And finally, time to crank it. Fingers crossed. So these parts came out of the bike. So this is the intake manifold and the injector is connected to this. This is the injector. Terrible engineering, terrible designing here. Whoa. This is the injector and this is the injector switch. But it's difficult to remove. I'm not gonna do that. So this is the manifold. Air goes in through here and the injector is here. So this is the throttle body. And this is the artificial choke which is present on the handlebar, which is used to accelerate the bike slowly. And Phil calls it the manual bike starter, but that name doesn't make any sense to me. So that cable is connected to this part, which is present here. The map sensor was taken from here, and yes, that is the throttle body. So this is the fuel pump, this humongous thing. This thing is submerged in petrol, and this is the flange, which is bolted, and this part is present inside the tank. This is the fuel filter, and this has to be cleaned. Doesn't look so complex, but wow, this thing can give you real headaches. Rubber, the accelerator cable. My bike uses a Thunderbird 500 cable. I mean, at least it used to use a Thunderbird 500 cable because of the wide handlebar, and it was a broken cable. Old clips and seals. The O-ring which was used here is currently in use and is used for carburetors intake. And that is about it. So all these parts, along with an ECU which is not here and which is being used in the bike, constitute the EFI. So I'm getting rid of all these, and I hope carburetor gives me peace of mind and reliability, along with my first throttle body. So I have two throttle bodies. I don't know what I'll do. Subscribe to the Highway channel and watch out for the review of the Indimotard Carb Kit and how it performs over time. Cheers. Follow us on our Instagram at the Highway channel and be a part of our stories. If you like our videos, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon to never miss an update from us. Cheers.